Hi guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel Allotrope wellness subscription. Okay, so if you have purchased any product on their website and you by mistakenly you have subscribed and they will providing you auto delivery, so how you can cancel it. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to compose an email. Okay, the email format you can see on your screen. You can take help from ChatGPT also, or you can make a screenshot, or you can modify it according to your need. Okay, so in the end you need to ask a proof of cancellation also. Okay, and once your email is done, you need to visit on the Allotrope's wellness official website, and on the official website there is a page, contact us page. In the page you need to provide your name, your email ID, the message. In the message box you need to paste the same email which you have already composed, and you need to hit submit button. Okay, and once you hit submit button, they will receive your query, they will receive your request, and after a period of time they will provide you, you can like reply from their side. Okay, because you already asked a proof of cancellation. Okay, if you don't get any reply from their side, maybe the reply is in your spam folder. Please don't forget to check your spam folder also. Okay, and if you don't get any reply from their side, it means your subscription is still active, and if you get reply from their side, it means your subscription is ended. Okay, so if you don't get reply, please contact with the customer support regarding the same, and this is the only method by which you can cancel your Allotrope's wellness subscription or membership. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.